wait. Hold on, no, this is a first round ever of the dog fight champion. This is not like real or anything, but like this. All right, round 1 starting now. Draco with the butt sniff. Holy crap! I wasn't even moving. Good.
Oh, RKO! RKO, my honey!
God!
Oh my God! RKO, my honey!
Bro, wait.
Draco trying to fight back.
Can't do nothing, dog. Oh, he's in the corner! Oh! Oh! Get that on camera! Are you recording over my head?
Yeah. Bro, the dog fight. RKO by Draco.
That's okay. Over the body? All up on him? Oh, honey giving him head? I mean, crap. Oh, body slam. Excuse me. Oh my God.
Draco.
Hold on, what's
Draco
that?
running for.
Nuggets. Stop! You're ruining. What? Well, I guess that. Oh! What expected charge on your bench? Ow. Forgot that's my window.
We should really go out there and just watch them.
Yeah, it's just sitting
Wait,
that
hold up.
random.
I want
just
to
sit in
hear
that
them
random
barking
chair.
and stuff.
You're so stupid. No, just.
Bye! Bye! Yo, they listened.
Just to let y'all know, this isn't like a real dog fight. It's just my
Them
dogs
playing
are playing.
around.
Literally.
Draco on.
Guys, look at that beautiful tree. You see that tree? Oh, look, they're fighting.
What is that?
Wait.
Yo!
Taking a break? Wow. Is that people? What is yellow on my screen? Oh, that's my shirt. Bro's dying. What? Give me it.
What is Honey doing?
What is
Biting by the leg.
Honey really wants that chicken leg? That sounded racist. Hey, I want to hear a dark joke. Hey, look at that African. That was the joke. Oh! On the ground!
Body slammed by Draco. Oh, they're kissing.
What the? Oh my head! Oh my phone! Oh, there we go. We got it. Why is it so blurry?
Mine's not.
Let me see your phone. Bro, what the? Hey, we got video on video. Low quality camera. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you thought. Why is my phone upside down?
Look at Draco.
Dude, I can't see Draco. Wait, is that? Oh, that's Draco.
Look at Draco. Look, watch Draco. Watch Draco. Look, watch.
Stop! Juke move.
Oh my God. Bro got laid out. Give me hair talk.
Dang. Beverly says, near my butt.
Oh, body slammed by Draco.
They're giving kisses. Well, that's gonna be it for the dog fight. Not real
Champion
dog.
Arena.
No, it's not the. This is gonna be the end of the dog fight. Not real dog fight. Round 1 thingy. Wait, there's no round. There's just one video. Alright, I'll post next time on Dragon Ball Z. Oh, wait, never mind. I'll do this for like 2 more minutes. Did you restart? What the? I think we should stop. Yeah, that's gonna be it for the dog fight, not real dog
Let's stop,
fight
though.
championship. Not even championship, but